Welcome traders. We are going to learn how to calculate lot size in Forex. So before we get started, I would like to state some things here and also explain the formula. What we are going to look at is EURUSD. So we will use it as an example to calculate lot size here. Before that, you have to take note that 1 pip is equal to 10 points. Then lot size is equal to risk amount divided by stop loss points. We'll learn two different ways of calculating lot size in Forex. The first one will be the manual calculation, and the second one is going to be with the use of lot size calculator. So let's get to business. This is the setup we are going to use in this calculation. So in this setup, we have our stop loss pips to be 16.1. So to convert the pips to points, we multiply by 10 since 1 pip is equal to 10 points. We do the math together and have 16.1 multiplied by 10, which will give us 161 points. Then the next thing we do is to know the amount we are going to risk. Assuming our risk amount is $20, risk amount was $20. We can easily calculate our lot size since we already know all the parameters. So lot size equal to risk amount over stop loss points. Our risk is $20. Our stop loss point is 161. So this is what we have. Lot size for this EURUSD equal to 20 over 161. This will give us 0.12 approximately. So our lot size for this particular setup here with a stop loss pips of 16.1 is 0.12. This is the manual method of calculating lot size. Let's then use lot size calculator to do the same calculation here. The second method is using lot size calculator. So you come to Google here and type lot size calculator and select any one you like here. I'm choosing this one from MyFXBook. So in this position size calculator, we have details to fill in here. Our account size. So let's assume our account size is $1,000. Then the ratio we are risking 2% since we risked $20 in the manual calculation. We keep it the same here. Stop loss pips 16 points 1 from our setup. So after entering our details, we click calculate. As you can see, it has calculated our lot size and we got the same 0.12 lots. And this is for Euro USD. So we can also do the next example using GBPUSD. So using the same formula now, and from this setup we have 17.2 pips. So let's do our calculation. With the same risk, which is 20, you have 20 over this 17.2. Converting 17.2 to points, we get 172. So we have 172 here. This is going to give us 0.116. 0.116. If you approximate it, you get 0.12. So let's also try this with the position size calculator. So let's come here, select GBPUSD. I have GBP. Let's type it here. GBPUSD. Select it. The same detail, but this time we have 17.2 as the stop loss pips. So click calculate. Still have 0.12 lots approximately. So I believe you have been able to understand how to calculate lot size in Forex. This is how you do it for the currency pairs. I'll still make video for some other pairs, but for this particular video we are going to end it here. Bye.